When investing in a vehicle, reliability is paramount. While many cars offer dependable performance, some models have garnered reputations for significant issues early in their lifespans. Based on documented reports and consumer feedback, here are 7 cars that have exhibited problems before reaching 40,000 miles. If you're looking for a vehicle that won't leave you stranded, these are the models to avoid. Ford Fusion Hybrid. The Ford Fusion Hybrid has faced criticism for frequent issues and high repair costs. Owners have reported transmission failures, battery problems, and software malfunctions occurring well before reaching 40,000 miles. The hybrid battery, which is expected to last much longer, has been known to degrade prematurely, leading to costly replacements. Some drivers have also experienced sudden loss of power while driving, creating a significant safety hazard. Additionally, electrical issues such as malfunctioning infotainment systems and unresponsive climate controls have frustrated owners. Automotive experts have noted that these models often encounter problems that lead to expensive repairs, making them a risky investment for those seeking long-term reliability. Furthermore, complaints about weak acceleration and poor regenerative braking performance have contributed to a lack of confidence in the Fusion Hybrid's drivetrain. Suspension components have also been reported to wear out sooner than expected, resulting in a rougher ride quality over time. Given the frequency of these issues, many owners have opted to trade in their vehicles early, further affecting resale value and depreciation. Many Fusion Hybrid owners have also reported problems with the braking system, such as premature wear on brake pads and rotors. The electronic parking brake has been known to malfunction, leading to unexpected vehicle movement. Due to these persistent issues, resale values have suffered, making this vehicle a poor long-term investment for those seeking reliability. Ford Escape. Similar to the Fusion Hybrid, the Ford Escape has been highlighted for its reliability concerns. The most common complaints involve transmission issues, particularly with the 8-speed automatic transmission, which has been known to slip or fail altogether. Engine problems, including excessive oil consumption and overheating, have also been widely reported. Electrical failures, such as power window malfunctions and faulty sensors, contribute to the Escape's reputation for unreliability. Some owners have noted early brake wear, requiring replacements much sooner than expected. Experts have pointed out that used models of the Escape are prone to frequent issues, which can result in substantial repair expenses, making it one of the least dependable compact SUVs in its class. Reports of premature turbocharger failure on EcoBoost models have added to concerns, with some vehicles suffering significant performance degradation well before 40,000 miles. Additionally, fuel system issues, including clogged injectors and fuel pump failures, have left many owners dealing with unexpected stalling and poor fuel efficiency. Given these widespread problems, long-term ownership of the Ford Escape can become a costly and frustrating experience for many drivers. Suspension issues have also been noted, particularly with worn-out control arms and bushings, which result in poor handling and excessive road noise. The interior build quality has been criticized for excessive rattling and weak materials that degrade quickly, further diminishing its value. Dodge Journey. The Dodge Journey has been identified as a model with frequent mechanical and electrical problems. The vehicle's 4-speed automatic transmission has been criticized for erratic shifting and premature failure, often requiring costly repairs before 40,000 miles. Many owners have reported issues with the 2.4-liter engine, including misfires, oil leaks, and overheating problems. Electrical failures such as faulty ignition switches and failing touchscreen displays have also been commonly documented. Suspension components tend to wear out quickly, resulting in poor ride quality and costly replacements. Reports suggest that these vehicles often experience problems leading to costly repairs, making the Dodge Journey a model best avoided for those looking for durability and reliability. Steering system failures, including premature power steering fluid leaks and rack and pinion malfunctions, have been widely reported. Moreover, climate control issues, such as non-functioning air conditioning and heater cores failing early, have frustrated many owners. The Dodge Journey's aging platform and lack of modern engineering refinements have made it a model that quickly shows signs of wear, leaving owners dealing with frequent and expensive repairs. Some owners have noted problems with fuel system components, such as failing fuel injectors and faulty fuel pumps, which can cause stalling or rough idling. Water leaks into the cabin due to poorly sealed windows, and doors have also been a common issue, further reducing the Journey's overall appeal. Land Rover Evoque Hybrid. The Range Rover Evoque Hybrid, introduced in 2020, has been ranked as one of Britain's least loved cars due to constant breakdowns and long delays for replacement parts. Many owners have reported transmission failures, particularly with the 9-speed automatic gearbox, which has been prone to rough shifting and unexpected disengagement. Hybrid battery issues, including early degradation and charging malfunctions, have led to expensive replacements. The infotainment system has been plagued by glitches, freezing screens, and unresponsive controls. Owners have reported their vehicles spending an average of 21 days off the road for repairs, with some experiencing more than 10 months of downtime due to parts shortages. These widespread issues have significantly impacted owner satisfaction and the vehicle's overall reliability. Further adding to concerns are the frequent electrical malfunctions, including faulty sensors, malfunctioning driver assistance features, and unresponsive electronic parking brakes. Water leaks into the cabin, and premature wear of interior materials have also been commonly reported, leading to disappointment among buyers who expect premium quality. For those seeking a luxury hybrid SUV, the Evoque hybrid's high repair costs and long wait times for service make it an impractical choice. Air suspension failures have also been reported, leading to an uncomfortable ride and costly repairs. Some drivers have also noted poor fuel economy, as the hybrid system does not always perform as efficiently as advertised. Nissan Rogue. The Nissan Rogue has been associated with reliability issues, particularly concerning its continuously variable transmission, CVT. Owners have experienced frequent overheating, resulting in sudden loss of power, delayed acceleration, and complete transmission failure. Some drivers have reported excessive vibration and unpredictable gear changes, making highway driving particularly stressful. Electrical malfunctions, such as malfunctioning automatic emergency braking and defective infotainment screens, have further added to the model's reputation for unreliability. Additionally, multiple reports indicate issues with premature suspension wear, particularly affecting struts and control arms. Many Rogue owners have expressed frustration with high maintenance costs, citing repeated repairs before reaching 40,000 miles. Problems with engine oil leaks and faulty timing chains have also surfaced, requiring costly repairs that diminish the vehicle's resale value. The Rogue's climate control system has been another weak point, with some owners reporting complete failure of the air conditioning system within the first few years of ownership. Issues with premature brake wear, failing alternators, and weak fuel pumps have further tarnished the Rogue's reputation. Some owners have also experienced water leaks in the cabin, leading to mold issues and electrical shorts, adding to the overall frustration of long-term ownership. Infiniti QX50. The Infiniti QX50 shares the same variable compression turbo engine and transmission issues as the Nissan Rogue, with numerous reports of early turbocharger failure, unpredictable power delivery, and excessive oil consumption. Transmission failures remain a primary concern, as the vehicle's CVT has been prone to premature wear, resulting in rough shifting, unexpected stalling, and total drivetrain failure. Steering system malfunctions have also been widely reported, with the steer-by-wire system suffering from unresponsive controls and erratic handling. The vehicle's infotainment system has also faced criticism, with complaints of delayed touchscreen responsiveness, random reboots, and navigation system failures. Additionally, issues with faulty sensors in the advanced driver assistance systems have led to frequent false alerts and malfunctioning safety features. Some owners have noted significant problems with interior durability, citing rapidly peeling leather, defective seat controls, and malfunctioning electronic dashboards. Given the combination of powertrain, electrical, and interior quality concerns, the QX50 remains a high-maintenance luxury SUV that fails to justify its premium price tag. Jeep Cherokee. The Jeep Cherokee has struggled with reliability, particularly due to its 9-speed automatic transmission, which has been notorious for erratic shifting, frequent software glitches, and outright mechanical failure. Engine issues have also plagued this model, with the 2.4-liter Tiger Shark engine suffering from excessive oil consumption, often leading to internal damage and power loss. Electrical system faults have been a recurring problem, including defective instrument clusters, malfunctioning electronic parking brakes, and widespread infotainment failures. Additionally, owners have reported significant suspension issues, such as rapid wear on bushings, control arms, and ball joints, resulting in unstable handling and costly repairs. Water leaks into the cabin have led to mold and corrosion in some cases, further impacting overall durability. Given these numerous problems, the Cherokee has been widely regarded as one of the least reliable compact SUVs on the market. When considering a vehicle purchase, it's essential to research and be aware of potential reliability issues. The models listed above have documented problems that could lead to significant repair costs and inconvenience. Prospective buyers are encouraged to consult multiple sources, read owner reviews, and consider these factors carefully before making a decision. If long-term reliability is your top priority, avoiding these models could save you thousands of dollars in repair costs and headaches down the road.